What are the 5 principles of Lean, and are they still relevant today? Let's delve into Lean thinking. The first principle is to specify value. Organizations must ask themselves what their value add is and why customers buy their products or services. The second principle is to identify the value stream. This includes all the material and information flow from customer order to delivery. Most organizations have more than one core value stream. This means they might have multiple product family offerings or service offerings to their customers. The third principle is to make value flow. Our goal is to make value flow through the value streams with as little delay as possible. We are trying to get as close as we can to continuous flow at the pace of the customer. The fourth principle is to let the customer pull. This is about eliminating the pushing of material or information and creating pull systems. The information or material is delivered to the next downstream customer when it needs it, based on consumption. The fifth principle is to seek perfection. This is the idea of continuous improvement, constantly seeking to improve quality and eliminate waste. While some in the Lean community think these principles are outdated, I believe they are still relevant today. Respect for people is the way in which these principles would thrive within an organization. If you're interested in learning more about Lean principles and methodologies, visit emsstrategies.com and contact us. We'd be happy to help.